Have you ever wondered what happens to your food after you swallow it? Every single bite you take goes on an amazing journey inside your body. It travels through different organs, gets broken down into tiny molecules, gives you energy, and finally leaves your body as stool. Today, let's follow one simple meal and discover the science behind digestion. Our journey starts in the mouth. When you take a bite, your teeth begin mechanical digestion. They chew and crush the food into smaller pieces. This increases the surface area for enzymes to work. At the same time, your salivary glands release saliva. Saliva contains an enzyme called salivary amylase, which begins breaking down carbohydrates into simpler sugars. The chewed food mixes with saliva and becomes a soft ball called a bolus. Now it is ready to travel. The bolus enters the esophagus, a muscular tube connecting the mouth to the stomach. Food does not simply fall down. Instead, wave-like muscle movements called peristalsis push it downward. Within seconds, the food reaches the stomach. The stomach is a muscular sac filled with strong acid. Here, gastric glands release hydrochloric acid, HCl. This acid kills harmful bacteria and creates the perfect environment for protein digestion. Another substance called pepsinogen gets activated into pepsin, which begins breaking proteins into smaller peptides. The stomach churns the food vigorously. After a few hours, it turns into a semi-liquid mixture called chyme. Now the next phase begins. Chyme enters the first part of the small intestine, the duodenum. Here, two major organs help. The liver produces bile, which emulsifies fats into tiny droplets. The pancreas releases digestive enzymes, pancreatic amylase for carbohydrates, lipase for fats, proteases for proteins. The pancreas also releases bicarbonate to neutralize stomach acid. Now food molecules are broken into glucose, amino acids, fatty acids. They are ready for absorption. The small intestine is specially designed for absorption. Its inner surface has millions of tiny finger-like projections called villi. These increase the surface area dramatically. Here's what happens: glucose and amino acids enter the bloodstream through tiny capillaries. They travel to the liver via the portal vein. Fats are absorbed differently. They enter lymphatic vessels called lacteals and later join the bloodstream. This is where nutrients officially become part of your body. The liver, metabolism control center. The liver acts like a metabolic factory. When glucose arrives, the liver stores excess glucose as glycogen, glycogenesis. Releases glucose when needed, glycogenolysis. Converts extra nutrients into fat. It also detoxifies harmful substances and converts ammonia into urea. The liver carefully regulates your metabolism to maintain balance. Inside the cells, energy production. Now nutrients reach body cells. Inside each cell, glucose enters a process called glycolysis, then the Krebs cycle, and finally oxidative phosphorylation. All these steps happen in the mitochondria. The final product? ATP, the energy currency of the body. This energy allows you to think, walk, study, heal, and even breathe. Large intestine, water absorption. Not everything gets absorbed. The remaining material moves into the large intestine. Here, water is absorbed. Electrolytes are absorbed. Good bacteria break down fiber. Vitamin K is produced. As water is removed, the material becomes more solid. This forms feces. Final destination, defecation. Feces contain undigested fiber, bacteria, dead cells, bile pigments. When the rectum fills, stretch receptors activate the defecation reflex. Finally, the waste is eliminated from the body. The journey is complete.